Hello everybody, Scott here from the Road Roomers. Today I have yet another video from our 2021 Hershey RV Show playlist. You'll be able to click on this playlist at the end of this video to view more videos of the show. And by clicking on our logo at the end of this video, you can subscribe to our channel. Also, if you'd like to be notified of future videos, you can tap on the bell below. All right, here we go with the video.
We're over in Winnebago area right now, and we're looking at an EKKO 22A, which is just a little bit step above a van. So it's got some great features, and I'll show them to you in just a moment.
Oh, that's great.
And you can, there's water available there, and you can,
Okay, right there is your water.
so
Oh, nice.
spigot you can put there too.
Wash your stuff out there. There's a little refrigerator.
It can be a freezer or a refrigerator.
All right, freezer or refrigerator. Okay.
Yeah. Did you see the bathroom?
The wet bath, yeah.
Where it turns into a shower? Or
Yes,
it can be, yeah.
yes.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
I have a feeling
I
they're
tell
gonna-
people, go in there and find the shower. I said, pull the black wall.
Looks like a solar panel up there.
I think they're gonna.
There is solar.
Yeah,
For
definitely.
the people that like the van life, this is a step above the van life.
Gives
Yeah.
you a little more space.
It does.
But you notice that the width is no wider than the running boards.
Oh, the running board. Okay.
So you can still park it. It doesn't get wider like a normal class
That's
C.
right. Yes.
So it stays nice and narrow.
Oh, I like that. This would be a great Alaska rig.
All right, so we're in, sorry for the darkness, guys. This one's not hooked up yet, but it's really cool, so we really wanted to show it to you. It is a Winnebago EKKO 22A, and it's 23 feet long. And let me tell you, it's a step above van life, in my opinion, because, oh my gosh, my husband's 6'4", and he can stand in here.
Easily.
All right, so this really, it just has some cool features. I really like it. So I like the step up here, but you make this into one big bed if you want, or you can keep it two twin beds. You have storage, they've got a box there. You have drawers that pull out on either side for storage. You have storage above the bunks. You have, USB 12 volt and regular receptacles.
Oh, that's wild. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, and it's even though it's a car, it's great. I just can't believe they pack so much into a small.
Oh, there is a fridge.
There's a small fridge inside, but we have a surprise for you outside. So I like this. Even has some freezer space, I think. Or
Yep.
I don't know. All right, so you're gonna have a 2-burner stove that stays down, so you have prep space. And look at this. You have drawers, a convection microwave, more storage up here. All right, you're gonna have seat belts. So not only can you bring the driver and the passenger, you can bring extra guests with you if you're going for a ride. Because let me tell you, this is gonna fit pretty much anywhere you want it to fit. And it's all-wheel drive, because it's on the Ford Transit all-wheel drive chassis.
Yes.
So nice large storage there. I'm liking the signature Winnebago little hook thing. Now this is a bathroom, surprisingly.
Yeah.
Surprising bathroom. So, toilet, sink. Looks like there's probably a shower. Oh yeah, there is. There we go. And we just,
Slide it around.
there we go. Shower, people,
There's your shower.
shower.
And this is all blocked off.
Yes. So even though it's similar to a wet bath, it's not exactly a wet bath.
Oh, I like that a
So
lot.
it's really good.
It's really tall too.
And yeah,
It's
I mean,
really
look, I'm 5'7", just
It's
about,
really, really tall.
and I really believe that we should do the Scotty test. We're gonna have to do the Scotty test. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, he's there.
With
He's
my
there.
shoes on.
With his shoes on, folks.
Nice.
So,
It's
yeah.
doable.
Really, there's plenty of room.
It's not bad at all for a shower in a van.
And I believe they said they had a 50-gallon fresh tank.
Right.
Don't quote me, but I'm going to say that that's what it was.
They always said I'd be living in a van down by the river.
So then, all you do is just push that back around, snap it in place. There's a window in here. Just
A window?
Yeah, there's a window in here.
Really?
You didn't see a window?
No.
Right here.
Open that bad boy up.
Okay, right there.
See
It's
if I
not
can see
big,
it.
but it's a window.
It's a window.
It's a window.
Oh my.
Yeah, and it's screen. It's one of those screen, no
opens
screens.
too.
Listen, screen, no screen,
No screen.
shade.
Oh.
It's really cool.
Magical.
It's magical.
Wow.
If you want easy to move around, easy to park, in and out of national parks,
Beautiful.
in and out of state parks.
Four-wheel drive, Alaska.
Yeah, all-wheel drive, Alaska. You know,
I'm loving it.
this is great.
It's
Let's
a
see.
Ford too.
Yes.
That's the best
So
part.
here's your base. Here, MSRP is $171,225.
Beautiful. Done. Loaded up.
Solar, solar, solar.
Yep. All right.
Let's show you what's outside, though.
Yes.
Remember I said there was a surprise outside.
There is a surprise.
There's a surprise.
Let's see what.
They close automatically.
Close automatically. I like that.
Yes. So you lift this up. This is going to hold you here. All right. This pulls out. You have a spigot right there. You can attach a hose. So you have a burner. Oh, I wonder what this is.
Yeah.
And
I
then
know exactly what that
this can be a freezer or a refrigerator.
is. Pull it all the way.
Yeah, nor cold.
The bug off.
Oh, the bugs.
And then
This is your little sink.
pop it in.
Pops out. Pops in. Goes out further than that, but I'm not going to do it. So, and then you have a faucet. Put a little hose. You have your sink. Come on, people. Outdoor cooking.
This is
underneath
great.
your awning. This is great.
Yeah, you get your awning up here.
Great.
You got your big rack up there with a solar panel. If you want extra solar panels, it looks like you can have a space for those.
You have a cable outlet here. You have receptacles here.
Right.
And I don't even know what these are because it comes with a Truma Aqua Go. You're not going to
A
run out of
Truma
hot water.
Aqua Go. No kidding. Took a shower forever.
Dual propane tanks. I was not expecting that.
No.
Not expecting that.
That's great.
And let's see what's behind door number 3.
Door number 3. What is
Oh
behind the
my
door?
goodness.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Look at
Right?
the storage back there.
Bikes. You could put your bikes in there. You could put other things. And they have
Easily.
access out there too. So you double
Wow.
access there and access in the back
I like
door.
that.
They have the tie downs. You can, oh my gosh, this is awesome.
I really like it a lot.
This is awesome for a tiny little package. You are getting a lot.
Yes. Look at this. The EKKO. Sorry. I love the logo. I love
Yes.
the paint.
Yeah, this one
I love the black wheels. And like I said, it's a Ford. You can't beat it. Now look at this.
All right, so here's all your,
Oh, very
all in
nice.
one spot. That's awesome. Your winterization
one,
valve, your
yes.
gray tank
Wastegate
drain.
valve right there, the gray tank.
Yes. potable water, so your fresh water, it's all right here.
Man. Very nicely done.
And then
Well
here's the
done,
other
Winnebago.
side. Access from the other side. And look, you can
Oh, yeah,
hang things on
yes,
here.
there's that rack system
So you have it on both sides.
that you can just hang stuff
Yes.
on. Love it.
And there's also outlets in it.
One of
Let's
these.
see. I like the exploring.
Looks like there's a generator, but I see an exhaust.
Yes, there is. It's a little Onan.
It's a little Onan
QG
2800.
2800i. That is
Look at that.
fantastic. Good call, babe.
Wow, check this out. See what's in here? More storage?
It's almost like Christmas. You're trying to figure out. Oh, it's locked.
It's locked, but I'm sure that's probably more storage. And you got your gas right there,
This
so
is
your door's
locked here.
closed, and that's locked up for your fuel. Smart by Ford.
Wait a minute. There's your little cassette toilet,
Oh,
people.
cassette toilet.
This is like what they do in New Zealand, in case you didn't know. In New Zealand, they have these.
Yes. Yep. Perfect.
Which actually is not bad.
I don't think it's that bad at all.
No. You just have to empty it more often.
So you just got to really empty your gray into a dump station.
Yep.
Yeah.
Way to go, Winnebago.
Way to go, Winnebago.
Right behind me is a prototype, and it is the Winnebago EKKO 22A with some added features that are not yet available. Again, this is a prototype, but it is really cool, and let's show you why.
All your gear and stuff. It's a heated garage.
A heated garage.
Yeah.
Wow. I do like this a lot. That's what that is on the other side of that other one.
Yeah, just gear storage. I mean, you know, that way you got all your stuff over here out from under the side or
Right.
whatever it is.
Fantastic.
Yeah, they did a great job.
But all your dump stations heated.
Yep.
We saw that all in one spot.
Everything's shocking me. Is this thing shocking you? Everything's
No,
shocking me.
no, and
Ooh.
just,
I don't know what it
Is
is.
it plugged in?
No, not the coach. It's just electricity when
Just the-
walking.
yeah.
static electricity.
But see, you got heat control here,
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I see.
so
That's
you
what
can
that is.
Oh.
turn that up or turn that down with the heat depending on temperature.
So that blows in warm air into this area.
And it's got it's got Vario Truma heat on it, so it's
Yeah, I saw
We
that.
saw the Truma,
Wow.
yeah.
yeah.
Yes,
This is
we
Truma
know that.
Gold rated, so it'll go from a certain temperature and amount of time.
that.
Yeah,
It's fast.
but it's the. I mean, all your doors are much thicker.
We noticed that they were. I could do this
could do
short
this.
term.
I noticed this one
Yeah.
opens up though on the top.
Yeah.
I gotta
have
go
to see
inside
if
this
I-
one and see
Yeah,
what
check it
that's all
out. Y'all
about.
have fun.
So this one does not have the solar rack on the top, but it has another feature. I'm getting zapped.
Okay, perfect.
So this goes up there to a bed.
This is a prototype, folks,
Aha.
and so this is the only one in the world that has this option.
Oh, boy.
And I'm really liking it.
It's coming now. If it's a prototype
coming.
and it's here, they're going to be coming out
I
with it.
think, if we wanted to do a trip to Alaska, I could do it in this.
Oh, you could take
100%.
you could take your grandkids.
You take the grandkids.
to this.
Or your own kids.
Your own kids.
I'm not sleeping up there. I hate to tell you, I get up too many times in the night.
Climb right up
But-
there, hon.
Great.
Come on.
Oh,
You can do it.
Oh, I know I can do it.
What's it look like up there?
Oh. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're coming up here. Here, let me have the camera.
Camera.
Look at that. You got nice cross breeze coming in on those two windows. And then if I turn, there's another window. Look at out front.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look, it has, oh, wait, guys. If you don't know, this is a special feature that helps prevent, and not only does it add cooling, but it helps the flow, and it prevents any kind of mold, mildew, rot, that kind of thing.
Fantastic.
So it's like a box spring.
Great job.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, nice. Nice. They're really
Yeah,
listening
so
to
the rest of
people.
it's the same. It's just they added this, and
Except we have more light in this one.
well, yeah, we do.
check it out.
We do. This no, same size fridge.
Same
The
fridge.
rest of these is the exact same.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I can see in here better. I like this. Again, you're gonna have this right here. It's gonna. Did you see this? There's some things I couldn't see because it was dark
Oh,
on the
right.
other one.
Yeah, it has it there too. How does that make for comfort? Pretty good.
It's very comfortable.
No kidding.
Honey, I could do this. And I know you're surprised on that one.
I am surprised on this one. Yeah.
I could do this one.
Down the road, maybe. We'll see what happens.
Especially, I mean, especially with the added feature of having that. I mean, you still have your...
It doesn't
your-
really take away from any of the headspace.
It doesn't.
But you lose your solar, maybe? I don't know. Maybe you could add the solar on top of that.
No, it's got to have solar. It's got
Oh, it does have solar.
Yeah, it's got to have solar. The solar's got to be on
Entrix
top of
solar.
the... Solar must be on top of the pop-up
Must be on
part.
top of this. Up here. Wowie.
Yep.
Like it. I like it. Beautiful.